Managing key stakeholders of projects. Managing key stakeholders is a central component of effective project leadership, as stakeholders influence project priorities, resources, and outcomes. Stakeholders include all individuals or groups with an interest in the project, such as sponsors, customers, suppliers, project team members, and end users. According to the Kaplan-Shima E2 framework, project success depends on clear communication, expectation alignment, and consistent engagement with these parties throughout the project's lifecycle. The project manager must first identify all stakeholders and assess their level of influence and interest using tools like Mendelow's power/interest matrix. High power and high interest stakeholders, such as sponsors or project boards, require active management and regular updates. Conversely, those with lower power or interest may only need to be kept informed. Understanding stakeholder motivations and concerns enables leaders to anticipate resistance, secure cooperation, and maintain organizational alignment. Effective stakeholder management ensures that project objectives remain achievable, relevant, and supported at every stage. The project sponsor plays the most strategic stakeholder role, providing resources, authority, and senior management backing. Sponsors approve the project initiation document, PID, monitor progress, and ensure that the project remains aligned with business objectives. The project customer or end user is concerned with the quality and functionality of deliverables, while the project owner focuses on whether the final outcome fulfills its intended purpose. The project manager, acting as the communication bridge, must translate stakeholder expectations into actionable plans and measurable deliverables. The project board or steering committee reviews high-level performance and resolves issues beyond the manager's control. Additionally, project champions, informal yet influential advocates, help sustain enthusiasm and commitment within the organization. Managing these relationships requires diplomacy, negotiation, and integrity. By understanding the authority and expectations of each stakeholder, project leaders ensure that support is maintained, decisions are made efficiently, and conflicts are managed before they escalate into project risks. Project leaders must employ structured communication and engagement strategies to manage stakeholder relationships effectively. A stakeholder communication plan defines the frequency, format, and content of updates tailored to each stakeholder group's needs. For example, executives may require concise performance summaries, while team members need detailed progress reports and task guidance. Regular progress meetings, reports, and milestone reviews help maintain transparency and trust. Equally important is feedback management. Seeking input and responding promptly to concerns fosters ownership and reduces resistance to change. Leaders must demonstrate active listening, empathy, and cultural awareness, especially in cross-functional or international projects. Managing upward communication with sponsors and downward communication with team members demands balance. Too much information can overwhelm, while too little can cause misunderstanding. When communication is clear, consistent, and purposeful, it builds credibility and ensures that every stakeholder remains aligned with the project's objectives, timeline, and expected outcomes. Successful stakeholder management extends beyond communication. It involves building long-term trust, influencing commitment, and maintaining alignment with organizational strategy. Project leaders use relationship management and negotiation skills to address conflicting interests among stakeholders, ensuring compromise without jeopardizing project goals. Applying principles from Cialdini's influence model, such as reciprocity, authority, and consistency, can enhance stakeholder buy-in and cooperation. During project execution, stakeholder engagement must remain dynamic. New stakeholders may emerge, and priorities may shift. At project closure, leaders must ensure that stakeholders are satisfied through final reviews, benefit realization assessments, and post-project audits. This reinforces credibility and strengthens professional relationships for future collaborations. Ultimately, managing stakeholders is not merely a communication task. It is a leadership responsibility that demands foresight, adaptability, and integrity. By continuously engaging and influencing stakeholders, project leaders secure sustained support, minimize resistance, and enhance the likelihood of achieving project success within defined constraints of scope, time, and cost.